Hello guys, hope you are doing good. This is Sharik, your host. Today's session I will cover how to install Centos server in ESXi server. I'm using ESXi 7 server and the Centos server is 7. So first I need to create virtual machine in ESXi server. Then I will install, and then I will going to install my Centos server. So guys, just click on virtual machine. You need to click and create and register via VM. So I will going to create a new virtual machine. So I need to assign the new name to the virtual machine, this server. So I will select C7 server. So I have to type the C7 server. Capability is the ESXi server. So operating system will be Linux and the guest OS will be 7. So just click on next. Once you will click on next, you will jump on to the storage. So you name which storage. I am selected data store 1, so the capacity is 2 TB. So just click on next. Once you will click on next, you will jump on to the virtual hardware section. So virtual hardware section, I will click assign the 4 core CPU, and it will be around, I will assign this 4 GB to this 4 GB memory, random access memory, and I will assign 20 GB hard disk, and I will select here the virtual network is already connected, and the host, which host I will going to with ISO file. So I will select ISO file. So I will going to install Centos server. So I have selected because I already uploaded. If you want to upload, you can upload from here, data browse, and you can upload from here. So I already uploaded my Centos server. Just click OK and click to next. Once you will click to next, you will review your all complete memory, storage, and name and network. So once you will review all of these, just click on next once and click and finish it. Once you will click and finish it, you will get in virtual machine listed your new server is added over here. You can click over here and click to power on. Once you will power on, you will get a new virtual machine is landing. So open browser console and click to, just go to here and click to install Centos server and press enter. Once you will press enter, you will going to begin the installation. So it's the installation is begin. So guys, as I thought you are going to understand in each step how to install Centos server, how to assign IP address to Centos, static IP address to Centos server, how to assign the name, and how to select the language, all steps. And just click on next, select the language and click on next. Now you are going to select the location. So my location will be Asia. I have selected my location Asia, and my city is Dubai. I have selected the Dubai here. From here, just click done, and language will be default, installation media. And the important thing here, you need to select software selection. Which software I will install basic web server. After installation, we can install whatever required thing we want to install, we can install from there, because I'm not going to select a GUI base. So just click on storage point, OK. And next thing, you need to network and host name, you need to amend the changes of here. So here I need to change C7 server, and I need to apply here, and I am going to assign the static IP because it's default taking the dynamic IP. So I need to assign static IP to this particular machine. Just if you will, once a network interface will be open, you just go to the IPv4 setting. Just a default will be automatic DHCP, dynamic host control protocol. So you need to click on manually. So just click on add over here. Once you will click add 192, and what's your IP address series, you can just type and here I need to also assign gateway and DNS. What is your DNS? You need to assign the DNS also. My DNS is 2, so I need to, what is your search domain, you need to assign and click OK and save it. And once you need to apply this setting, just click done, and then you need to begin the installation. You just click on begin the installation. Once you will click on begin the installation, you need to type your password, root password, to log in. Once the installation done, you need to log in from the same password. So just I'm typing here my root password over here and click to done. So and click to done. Once you will click to done, so begin installation is begin. So it will install firmware, firewall, what is the required repository. It will be default come with a Centos server, so it will be default will be installed. But in this scenario, you need to, if you are installing, if you are going to update thing, you have to connect with internet. If you are not connected with internet, you will not get any kind of updates. You cannot update your server. It will default. If you are having 6, it will be installed, but you will not get all the updates. So guys, as you can check over here, my almost done, my installation almost done. Once installation done, you can log into your server and you can make the amendment. You can, whatever thing you can do, you can install whatever required thing, Apache, Tomcat, MySQL, SQL Server, whatever CRM we can create, whatever thing. But before installation, we need to carefully about, if you are using proxy, you need to turn off the proxy. Because I am using proxy, first I think I need to, because sometimes we are getting error to installation, like Centos server, Red Hat Linux and Ubuntu, we are getting issues during the installation. So guys, you can check my installation is done successfully. Once installation done, we need to reboot the system, we need to reboot the server. Just click on reboot. Once you will click on reboot, just click enter, and you can check over here CentOS Linux 3.1 is installed, save. So installation done. So guys, I will going to tell you once there is a 2 method to connect your ESXi server from browser. You can log in, and you can also log in from your ESXi server, vSphere server, vSphere client, and you can also log in from vmwareworkstation. So as you can check here, I have connected my server from the vmwareworkstation. Once you need to log in from your VMware, and you need to add your ESXi server to here, and you can check over here all the. So you can check over here, my new server is running and this is connected. So, and if you want to log in, you can log in from here. Type the username. My username is root, and my password what I have set. Root. So I have, as you can check over here, I have successfully logged in with the time, with the detail. If you want, you need to check what's your IP address. IP ADDR. Once you are getting what's IP, you are getting 49. So you need to. So I wanted to connect from SSH key. Just click on SSH key and type the IP address of this 168.75 and just click open. And you need to here accept the license, accept the security, click on it and type the username and password. Once you will type the password, so now you successfully log in to connect to the SSH. So guys, you wanted to, once you have done this, you wanted to first thing I need to increase the font size, because it's not appear visible. So I will give this to 24. Okay, press apply. So now once installation done, I need to upgrade this server. So first sudo yum update and an upgrade. So guys, once installation done, your server installation, first thing you need to do, you need to update and upgrade the server, because whatever new prerequisite is came to the Linux, this current machine, you can get that. Just click and enter. Once you will get, you can check this all upgradation will become along with it. So determine, you can check over here, determining fastest manner. So it will check and it will install whatever required thing. So guys, you can check over here. Now my installation is begin, and what is required prerequisite, it will be auto installation once I have typed the key. So you can check over here, the installation is going on. So I need to press yes. Press yes, and before installation, once you are installing, you can, once you have type sudo yum install and upgrade, you just need to type yes. One, you don't need to again type yes y command. Okay, so these all the networking thing, this all the prerequisite, this all the upgradation, it will be automatic upgrade once you are updating and upgrading server, as I suggest to you, and it will install all your kernel, and I suggest you need to auto upgrade. You need to assign as a auto update of your server, because it's easy to understand, and it will use for, because we are upgrading because of the reason is security purpose. We don't want any kind of threat to affect our server. And again I need to click yes. Once you will click yes, it will be running, and transaction test, it will be update, and it will check all the prerequisite and all the thing whatever required prerequisites, it will install. So guys, you can check over here, my Centos 7 server is upgraded. So I wanted to check my version of which Centos server and currently I am running. So just cat etc Centos release, just click on that. You will get the Centos which server is you are having. Here you are having Centos Linux 7.9 2009 core version. If and one more thing. So guys, there is another way too. You can also check your host, which version of you are having. You can type here hostnamectl. Once you will type hostname ctl, you can just enter present. You can check static host name, icon, and which version you are using VM. So version, which operating system you are having, Centos 7, and which operating system name you are having this name. So guys, this is the process, this is the method to create virtual machine in ESXi server, to install virtual machine to ESXi server, and to update and upgrade Centos server. Guys, if you are having any kind of doubts, any kind of confusion, you can just ping me my blog querypanel.com, or you can also ping me on my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is IT blogger Bihari. So guys, if you like this, if you love this video, please like, share and subscribe. Guys, thank